I started in the print industry when I met Brian. We started the business as Lightning Printing. He was printing and selling, and I had a different job because he wasn't making any money.
My wife Ann and I actually started the company in the garage in 1984. Bought a press, $500 investment, and a little bit more money from my father at the time, and off we go. We have a printing company. And somewhere in there, 10 years later, we kind of figured out what to do. Lightning Printing purchased Wallace Carlson in 2005. We moved our entire operation into the building we're here in Minnetonka and have grown from there.
7 years ago, we installed our first Komori press, and it was a game changer. It set us up for being competitive in commercial printing. Then we started moving towards the packaging business, which led us to our second Komori press.
It really did make a difference in our growth. Adding that first Komori press, UV ink, it gave us the ability to print on substrates and print weights of paper and things that we had not had the ability to print before. We looked at packaging long ago and said this is an area that's going to grow, it's going to expand. That exploration on our original 8-color press led to the new Advanced Series Komori. The technology in that press really is our monitor and really is our guide. And if we're using that technology, we're getting a good product to the client. That we have given them from the first sheet to the last sheet. Consistent color, no hickeys, consistent quality.
With the new Komori press, we were producing just as much revenue as we were with the old presses. We were producing less waste, more efficient, and a lot faster in the new model. So when we looked at the GLX, primarily we focused on the substrate options, the speed, curing horsepower, and of course the automation.
The advanced press from Komori is stable in color. I start out using the boost system that comes with the camera, and it changes color about 50 sheets very quickly. And then I turn it, after about 500 sheets, I turn it off and turn it on to 150 sheets, and you can watch it hardly move color at all. It just holds.
That's another thing I will say about the GLX. Holds color so wonderfully. I wished I had it 25 years ago when I was doing cart books.
The Komori press, game changer. It has given us ability to do things for our customers that we just never had before. And I don't believe other manufacturers provide that same thing either. It's embedded in me. I enjoy the printing industry. I like solving problems. I like getting phenomenal product to my customers. It is a great feeling to be able to go back and see the final product, put it on a truck, go up to the phone or the email and send out a note and say, hey, it's on its way, wait till you see this.